Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Susmita Kumar. I'm a senior at Roseville A High School and intern at St. Jude Medical. I am excited and proud to be standing here today at Genesis Work Young Professional from class of 2016. My journey to this stage began in a destination 7,000 miles away. I was born in Kathmandu, Nepal. In Nepal, most parents don't want their daughters to go to school. They believe that girls should get married and go to their husband's house. So they don't want to invest money in them. But not my parents. My mom never received a college education and she didn't want me to struggle like she had to. And my dad has always pushed me to pursue a college degree. My parents moved to the United States in 2011 while I stayed in boarding school in Nepal. They came here and started from scratch, learning a new language, lifestyle, and culture, so they could offer me and my sibling more opportunities. I had always dreamed of coming to United States since I was small. Suddenly that came true all because of my parents. I finally got to come to United States in 2014 when I was 16 years old. When I came here, I wanted an education and an opportunities for a professional career. But when I arrived at my high school in Minnesota, I had lots of questions and doubt. Will I fit in? Will I make new friends? Will I ever be successful? I heard about Genesis Work from a presentation at my school. I was interested in information technology because I had taken classes in web design and coding back in Nepal. So I decided to take a first step towards a new opportunities, and I applied to Genesis Work just over 1 year ago. Even though I was prepared for my Genesis Work interview last March, my voice was still shaking when I answered the questions. After I was done with my interview, I was nervous about the possibilities of not getting accepted. And then I received my acceptance email, and I was so happy. Then I had to go to summer training for 8 weeks while working a job as a cashier at a clothing store. When I started summer training, I was very shy and quiet. But on the third day of summer training, the third day, I had to give a speech in front of dozens of my classmates. I was terrified of public speaking, but my summer trainer, Linnea, showed me this one trick to help me prepare. It's called the magic door. Have you heard of it? The magic door is where you go to relax yourself before speaking in front of a big crowd. I will show you. Magic. After weeks of training, the terrified feeling I had about public speaking started to go away. I accepted that it was part of my journey to new opportunities. All of my hard work paid off when I earned an internship at St. Jude Medical. With the skills I had learned during summer training, I walked into St. Jude Medical feeling confident and prepared. I didn't even need to use a magic door. At my internship, I work in client services. My supervisor at work, Sang Bang, always helped me when I have questions. And of course, my Genesis Work program coordinator, Keegan, helps keep me on track and grow professionally. After my internship, I plan to go to Metro State University and get a degree in computer science. After I graduate from college, I will work in IT, maybe at one of your companies, but hopefully at St. Jude Medical. After I begin my career and make an impact in technology in Twin Cities, I want to do something for my native country of Nepal. I want to open a non-profit organization for girls and provide them education opportunities, maybe in IT. I strongly believe that girls can accomplish anything if they are given the right opportunities. I want to show girls in Nepal and all over the world that they can be like me and pursue an education and a career and be anything they want to be. Not only that, but they can change the world. St. Jude Medical and Genesis Work have provided me with an opportunities to not only change my own life and my family life, but also in my own way. From Kathmandu to Twin City, I am changing the world. Thank you everyone and enjoy the rest of the afternoon.